On Friday, Congress passed Public Law 117-1, which provides an exception to General Lloyd Austin to serve as Secretary of Defense under Biden's cabinet. He is now the Secretary of Defense. I will read to you the public law as follows. 117th Congress of the United States of America, at the first session begun and held at the City of Washington on Sunday, the 3rd day of January 2021. An act to provide for an exception to a limitation against appointment of persons as Secretary of Defense within 7 years of relief from active duty as a regular commissioned officer of the Armed Forces. Be it enacted by the Senate and House of Representatives of the United States of America in Congress assembled. Section 1. Exception to limitation against appointment of persons as Secretary of Defense within 7 years of relief from active duty as regular commissioned officers of the Armed Forces. A. In general, notwithstanding the second sentence of Section 113A of Title 10 United States Code, the first person appointed by and with the advice and consent of the Senate as Secretary of Defense in an appointment made on or after January 20th, 2021 may be a person who is, on the date of appointment, within 7 years after relief but not within 4 years after relief from active duty as a commissioned officer of a regular component of the Armed Forces. B. Limited exception. This section applies only to the first person nominated after 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on January 20th, 2021, and appointed as Secretary of Defense as described in subsection A, and to no other person.